Okay, guys, we're going to do ordered pairs. This is a lot like playing Battleship. If you've ever played Battleship before, that's how I connect it. Locating a point on a coordinate plane. Okay, a coordinate planes is this right here, guys, if you're not sure. So locating the points on a coordinate plane is similar to describing directions of north and south, east and west. The horizontal lines, horizontal means to go like across the horizon on the grid line is called the x-axis. The vertical lines, vertical means going up and down, is the y-axis. All right, each point on the coordinate lines that described are by the ordered pair. So the two numbers that go together. So like when you're calling Battleship, it's the two numbers you're calling are your ordered pair. The x coordinate is the first number in the ordered pair, the horizontal location, or the distance point from 0 on the directions of the x-axis. The y coordinates is the second number in the ordered pair, the vertical one. So is what we're always told is X comes before Y in the alphabet. So of course do X first. So when we're going to look down here, guys, we're going to do this first and then we're going to do this. Just like the alphabet, we're going to do X before we do Y. All right, so the X and the Y intersect, so where they meet is called the origin. And those are words you're going to have to know what they mean because it's going to ask you what is the origin, what's the ordered pair, what's the x coordinate. So let's get this down before we start. Knowing x is horizontal, y is the vertical line. The two numbers that we have to go to get the directions to get to the origin are the ordered pair. We do X first, not Y. And where they meet is called the origin. Okay, so let's look here. Write the ordered pair for the location of the area and the aquarium. Locate the points for which you would write the ordered pair. Look at the X. So first one we're going to do is for the arena. So I'm going to go here first, and I'm going over till I see the dot, and I get what? 3. I'm going to then go up till I see the dot, and I get 2. So what am I going to put first? 3, 2 is my ordered pair. Right here is my origin. Now if I would, that is of the arena. Well, we just did that one. Okay, so now if we're going to find the one for the aquarium, I'm going to go straight over till I see that thing. It's a 9. Now I'm going straight up till I hit it, and it's a 4. So my ordered pair is 9, 4 for the origin of the aquarium. Okay, let's move on. Here we go. A point of coordinate grids can be labeled with a ordered pair or both by a letter or both. Plot the 5, 7 and label it J. So the origin is J. So we always go here first. So we go over to the 5, then we go up to the 7, and where they would meet is where we go. So from the origin, move right how many spots? We move 5 units, and then we go up 7. So we could have went over here and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we would have labeled it. Okay, that's one way of doing it. Another way is you can find the distance between 2 points. You can find the distance between 2 points when the points are along the same horizontal or vertical line. So if they're on the same line, so we can draw a line segment from point A to B. A line segment is a line. Count the verticals between them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, So count the vertical units between the 2 points. It is 6 units. Point A and B form a vertical line segment and have the same x coordinates. How can you use subtraction to find the distance between the points? Well, we had 9 subtracted by 3 equals 6, because B was at 9, A was at 3. If we subtract it, we got 6. Okay, our last one, it says, graph the point 3, 2. So let's do that. I'm going over 3, up 2, and I graph that, and 5, 2. So I'm going over to 5 and up to 2, and they're on the same line segment, or the same horizontal line. So I can make a line segment between the two. How am I going to figure out that is? It's 5 subtracted by 3 equals 2. 2 points. Okay. Show what we know. Ooh, I like doing coordinates points. Okay, so use the coordinate A grid. So here's the coordinate A grid to write the ordered pair that is given. So how are we going to find C? Well, always the X first. I'm going over to 6, and they're always in parentheses, and a comma in between 6 and up to 3. Okay, I want you guys to do that. I want you to plot the lines in between the two. So you're going to label them on your sheet. Do it on your own. Here's another chance to do it. Show your partner. This will be fun to do, I think. Let's see. We'll skip this for now. And let's do all of these up here. All of these. Let's do the whole thing except for number 15, please, on your homework. And you have to do the whole thing on the back because this is for both of these. Please do order pair. Let's just look at quickly. Remember your x-axis, your y-axis. Let's know that it's a coordinates. The origin is where you're landing. Your ordered pair, just remember when you do ordered pair, they go in parentheses and a comma in between. The x's goes first, then the y's. Go to work, please.